Hello, today we'll be going through practice questions 21 to 30 for the LPIC-1 102-500 exam. Let's begin. Why is the correct configuration of a system's time zone important? The correct answer is E, because the conversion of Unix timestamps to local time relies on the time zone configuration. Unix systems store time in UTC, and the system's time zone setting is used to convert timestamps to local time. If the time zone is misconfigured, displayed times may be incorrect, leading to confusion in troubleshooting and system operations. Why the other options are incorrect? A. Because the time zone is included in checksum calculations and time zone changes invalidate existing checksums. Time zones do not affect checksum calculations, as checksums are based on file content, not metadata like timestamps. B. Because the time zone is saved as part of the modification times of files and cannot be changed after a file is created. Modification times are stored in UTC and converted based on the system's time zone. Changing the time zone does not alter file timestamps themselves. C. Because the environment variables lang and lc messages are, by default, set according to the time zone. Language settings are related to localization and language preferences, not the system's time zone. D. Because NTP chooses servers nearby based on the configured time zone. NTP does not use the system's time zone to select servers. It synchronizes time in UTC regardless of location. Therefore, the correct answer is E. Fill the blank. Which command, available with all sendmail compatible MTAs, is used to list the contents of the MTA's mail queue? The correct answer is mail queue. Fill the blank. What is the top-level directory which contains the configuration files for CUPS? The correct answer is /etc/cups. Which of the following commands lists all queued print jobs? The correct answer is E, LPQ. The LPQ command is used to list all queued print jobs in the print spooler. It displays the job ID, owner, size, and status of each print job. Why the other options are incorrect? A. LPD. The LPD command is the line printer daemon, which manages print jobs but does not list them. B. LPR. The LPR command is used to submit print jobs, not to list them. C. LP. The LP command is used to submit print jobs and manage printing, but listing queued jobs is not its primary function. D. LSQ. This is not a valid command for managing print jobs in Linux. Therefore, the correct answer is E. Fill the blank. Which option in the etc/ntp.conf file specifies an external NTP source to be queried for time information? The correct answer is server. Which of the following protocols is related to the term Open Relay? The correct answer is A. SMTP. An open relay refers to an SMTP server that allows anyone on the internet to send emails through it without authentication. Open relays are a security risk because they can be exploited by spammers to send large volumes of unsolicited emails. Why the other options are incorrect? B. POP3. POP3 is used for retrieving emails from a mail server, not for sending them. C. NTP. NTP is used for synchronizing system clocks, unrelated to email relays. D. IMAP. IMAP is used for accessing and managing emails on a server, but it does not handle email relays. E. LDAP. LDAP is used for directory services and authentication, not for email transmission. Therefore, the correct answer is A. SMTP. Which of the following commands displays all environment and shell variables? The correct answer is D. env. The env command displays all environment variables and their values in the current shell session. It is commonly used to check variables affecting the system's behavior. Why the other options are incorrect? A to E. This is not a standard Linux command for viewing environment variables. Therefore, the correct answer is D. env. What information is provided by the echo $$ command? The correct answer is A, the process ID of the current shell. The echo $$ command prints the process ID of the current shell. The $$ variable stores the PID of the shell process that is currently running. Why the other options are incorrect? B, the process ID of the following command. The $$ variable does not store the PID of a future command. It only holds the shell's own PID. C, the process ID of the last command executed. The PID of the last executed command is stored in the $! variable, not $. D, the process ID of the last command which has been placed in the background. The PID of the most recently backgrounded command is stored in $! not $. E, the process ID of the echo command. The echo command runs as a child process only in a subshell, but in a normal execution, it does not have its own separate PID when using built-in shell echo. Therefore, the correct answer is A, the process ID of the current shell. Which command makes the shell variable named variable visible to subshells? The correct answer is E, export variable. The export command is used to make a shell variable available to subshells by adding it to the environment. Running export variable ensures that any child processes inherit the variable. Why the other options are incorrect? A, export variable. This is incorrect because variable expands to its value before being passed to export, which would result in an error if the value contains spaces or is empty. B, env variable. The env command is used to run a command with a modified environment, but it does not permanently export a variable. C, set variable. The set command is used for shell options and positional parameters, not for exporting variables. Also, variable expands before execution, which is not the correct syntax. D, set variable. Similar to option C, set is not used for exporting variables. It only sets shell options and positional parameters. Therefore, the correct answer is E, export variable. What output is produced by the following command sequence? The correct answer is E, result 321. Read ABC assigns A to 1, B to 2, and C to 3, 4, 5, 6. Echo result CBA prints result 321. Why the other options are incorrect? A, 654. C holds 3, 4, 5, 6, not just 654. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not the output format. C, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1. C prints first, but the order is wrong. D, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Read doesn't split all values into separate variables. Therefore, the correct answer is E, result 321. We have come to the end of today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.